Welcome back to my myCRMSIM. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your message routing. So in order to do that, you need to go to sub account SIM from the side menu. And here you can see gear icon. Before doing that, you need to make sure that you have connected your sub account and you have also added your device. And then you need to click on this gear icon, and you can click on this eye icon for the guide. You can follow this guide as well. So as you can see, we have priority trend from top to bottom, and we have channels from left to right. In first priority, you can select SMS, iMessage, WhatsApp, RCS to video based on your plan. And if you select them in parallel, what does that mean is basically we are sending a message to all channel at once. It's a concurrency basically, or you can say that it works parallelly. So avoid checking all the channels at once. Only select based on your purchase plan. So if you want to have some fallback, then you can select, like if you have SMS plan and you have WhatsApp plan, you can select both of these. And if SMS fails due to some reason, then you can send WhatsApp as a fallback. The user will receive WhatsApp. If SMS fails, then the system will send WhatsApp message. And let's suppose you have RCS plan as well. First, system will try to send SMS, and if SMS is failed somehow, then it will try WhatsApp, and WhatsApp is also failed due to some reason. Then the system will try to send RCS. So that's how this trend will work. Make sure to use only those channels for which you have some existing plan. Use only fallback method when it's required. So that's it from message routing. Thank you.